Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you this beautiful Jony vintage leather briefcase. So this is high quality leather. I absolutely love how it looks. It's super nice and structured. So let me give you a glimpse inside and show you how it looks with my husband.
This bag looks super professional. It makes my husband look like a professor, which is exactly what he wanted. And it has tons of space and really deep pockets inside. So I love that it has so much extra space for my husband. It also has a padded laptop section, and the material inside is this really soft, silky canvas material. It also has zippered pouches inside, a zipper on the back of the bag, and just really high quality details. So these metal pieces are painted gold, really well made, not scratched, and they can support a lot of weight. It also has this really strong handle, and even with really heavy things inside like a MacBook, it's really durable and has no rips or tears. It also can fit a 16-inch MacBook Pro perfectly with even a little bit of extra space. So this is just all around a perfect bag for college, for work, and it would make an excellent gift.
So if you're looking for a great high quality leather briefcase, maybe for yourself, for your husband, for your brother, or anyone in your life, I highly recommend this one by Jony Vintage. I'm really impressed by the quality. It's lasted, it's really durable, and I think you're gonna love it too. But that's just my point of view.